Hi guys, my name is Siddhant and I'm back with another video। और आज की वीडियो में हम थोड़ी सी अलग किस्म से बात करने वाले हैं। आज हम जानने वाले हैं व्हाट आर द बेसिक्स यू शुड नो बिफोर जॉइनिंग अ होटल इंडस्ट्री, ताकि जब आप पहले दिन आपके कॉलेज में जाओ, कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछे जाएं तो आप स्मार्टली रिप्लाई कर सको, क्योंकि मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स स्मार्ट इनफ हैं टू टेक अ गुड डिसीजन इन लाइफ, टू बी अ स्मार्ट इंडिविजुअल। ओके, सो कुछ बेसिक्स की बात करता हूँ जो यूजुअली आपसे पूछे जाते हैं। तो सबसे पहला सवाल ये होता है, व्हाट इज अ होटल? ओके, सो इसकी डेफिनेशन कुछ इस तरह की है। अ होटल इज अ प्लेस वेयर अ बोनाफाइड ट्रैवलर कुड फाइंड फूड and shelter in exchange of a monetary term, provided that he is in a situation to receive it। तो ये हो गई आपकी डेफिनेशन अबाउट अ होटल। व्हाट इज अ होटल? ओके ओके, दूसरा सवाल जो मोस्ट कॉमनली पूछा जाता है वो ये है, व्हाट इज हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री? सो इसका जवाब कुछ ऐसा है, हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री इज अ इंडस्ट्री which is service oriented, and it largely includes hospitals, service oriented industries, call centers, any kind of service outlets, or hotels. This is what largely hospitality industry includes. This is the definition, okay? So, two definitions already done. Now, what you need to know is what are all the core departments. Now, when I talk about a core department, what are those? Number one, kitchen. Number two is front office. Number three is F&B service. Number four is housekeeping. So that is what three main core departments are. Now, I'm going to tell you what exactly you learn in all the core departments. Starting up with food production, you're going to learn the uniform. What are the basic uniforms used in kitchen, why they are useful. So there will be another episode under which we're going to talk about all this stuff. And after that, there will be another class in which we are going to talk about details. Okay. So this is what you learn in uniform sector. Now, after that, there is another sector called temperature. Temperature of cooking, methods of cooking, about your equipments used in a kitchen, hygiene habits, the method of cooking, and there is a whole lot of stuff that you learn in your cooking sector. Basically, you learn different types of cuisines over the year. That is what you're going to learn. Basically, first, when you're going to enter your college, what you're going to start learning is how to make stock. Now, what is stock? It is just a clear liquid or a flavored liquid, basically you can say, heated with some certain amount of substance into it. For example, I need a chicken stock, so I'm going to put chicken into it. I'm going to into a water, I'm going to boil it, and I'm going to get chicken stock. Okay, so that is how stocks are made. This is not a perfect definition, but yet a very close understandable terminology which you can understand. That is what I told you right here. Okay, so this is what stocks are. Different kind of stocks are there. There is a vegetable stock, chicken stock, fish stock. So a lot of stocks are there. Okay, after that, what you learn? You basically start learning how to make a roux. Now, what is a roux? Roux is basically a mixture of butter and what do you say? Any solitars. Like, it is a mixture which is used to thicken up a liquid. Okay, that is what basically roux is. Butter and flour mixed together in equal quantity is what roux is. Okay, so I hope you understand that particular point. Not going much into the details of the theory, this is what you learn in your very first semester when you enter a college. Okay, you learn about egg and other stuff. You learn about how gluten helps making a dough, what is fermentation. You basically learn this all stuff in your food production. Now, a lot about food production has been said. Now I have to move to front office. What you learn in front office. Now, there are different types and different categories of hotel which you largely learn. Okay, so just a brief about how many kinds of hotels or how many types of room could be there. So they could be immense, like the list goes and goes on. There is a lot of category, but yeah, there is 1 star, there is 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, 5 star deluxe, motels, flotels. Now, what are motels? Motels are hotels located on the side of a highway, okay, with a garage facility or near a petrol pump, that are motels. Basically हमारी भाषा में ढाबा बोलते हैं उसको. ठीक है, they are motels. Okay, now what are flotels? Flotels are hotels which float on water. Okay, they are flotels. Okay, so you can take an example of a cruise ship. They are flotels. Okay, so yeah, these are few of the examples of different categories of hotel. What are five-star hotels? You already know it. What are five-star deluxe hotels? You already know it. Seven-star hotels, only one is there in the entire world today in Dubai. Okay, so that is the only five-star, seven-star hotel in the world at this current point. Okay, so this was a lot of information about the different type of hotels. There are a whole lot of thing into different kind of rooms. Deluxe room, okay, king room, presidential suites, penthouse, a lot to study. Okay, so just a rough idea. If somebody asks you name few, you can just mention them. Okay, okay, this was about front office. Now coming up to FNB. Now, what all you're gonna learn in your FNB service? On a whole, you're gonna start with learning the names of cutleries. Now, what are cutleries? Spoons, glasses. There are different glasses used in FNB service. You're gonna learn about dummy waiter or a sideboard. Basically, when you enter a hotel, you see tables set up on the side, okay, to keep plates and separate things. And if you enter a big hotel, there are definitely, so they are called dummy waiters. Okay, you're gonna learn different styles of plan, different courses of menu, 17 courses of classical French menu. You're gonna learn that. So this is what you learn overall into your first year of FNB. Okay, apart from that, you're going to learn about wine, alcohols, bills, and other stuff. Okay, so this is what you exactly learn in your FNB service, from the management to the end. Okay, talked about FNB, not much into detail, just learn few terminologies like what is serviette or napron, what is that, what is the length of a cover. So let me just brief you, like the waiter cloth which you get, you see waiters having that cloth in their hand, that is basically called napron, or what do you say, serviette. Okay, so that is what it is called. Apart from that, the cover size of a table is, now what is a cover? It's an area where all the cutleries of an individual is being placed under a table setup, and that area is called cover. Okay, one cover mostly comprises of 18 by 21. That is the actual, the standardized what do you say, measurements. Okay, so talked about that. Now, moving more into details, I will tell you about housekeeping. Now, under housekeeping, you learn different cleaning agents, R1, R2, R3. There are different names to different cleaning agents, and every cleaning agent has a particular function to perform. You learn glass cleaning. Glass cleaning seems to be very easy, but it is an entire method. Okay, apart from that, you learn to operate different kind of machineries, different kind of stain removals. You know the process of making bed, you know the process of what do you say that particular thing, towel making arts and other stuff. Okay, basically artistic things and cleaning stuff is being taught in housekeeping. Apart from that, you learn how to arrange a mass trolley. There is a trolley in the hotels, okay, which has been carried to every floor. Okay, there is a maid room where this trolley has been placed. There is a vacuum cleaner under that room. A lot of linen must be there. What is linen? Linen is basically the what is it? कपड़े जो अपन use करते हैं, the blankets, the dube cover, and all this which are kept. These are called the linen room. So there is a separate room for this thing. Okay, so this is what the entire overview of the industry is. Okay, now basically in your training you're going to learn all this into details. Okay, do not expect your colleges really to teach you all this in detail, but definitely industry will teach you these things in detail and in reality. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, a sub will be great and a like will be a delight of a treat. So if you really want to learn all this stuff into details, do contact me. This was Siddhant Mishra. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.